The 30Kpa Cordless Vacuum Cleaner V30 offers powerful suction, making it highly effective for cleaning a variety of surfaces, including hardwood floors and carpets. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, this vacuum cleaner allows you to clean your entire home on a single charge, thanks to its high-capacity removable battery. The device features an easy-to-read LED screen, providing real-time updates on the vacuum's status, while being lightweight and ergonomically designed for user comfort. Equipped with a flexible V-shaped anti-tangle floor brush, this model effectively prevents hair from tangling and includes LED headlights for detecting hidden dust. Its 6-stage filtration system captures nearly all dust particles, ensuring a cleaner home environment, and features a 1.5-liter dust cup that is easy to empty and wash. Supported by a 24-month protection plan and constant customer service, buyers can rely on prompt assistance and enjoy peace of mind with their purchase.